Yo, what's up? This is the car guy and welcome. Today we are going to be looking at 7 modifications that you can do to your car in Zimbabwe. These are just basic modifications. Most of them are cheap, so anyone can do them. And this came along because last week's video, most people commented they wanted to know more about modification, and some were asking where they can have their cars modified and where to start. So it forced me to create this video. This is just it's just entry level for everyone. So without wasting any time, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more car videos. Let's go. Number 1 on the list is the exhaust. The exhaust system, you can modify it and the results are probably sound. Your car will have a very good sound. If you are a loud person, you probably like this a lot. And changing the exhaust system also helps performance wise. There are a lot of details in changing the exhaust system. There are different ways of doing it, but another way can help you to improve the performance of your car. The other way is just for sound, but yeah, I guess if you are looking if it's entry level, then maybe you're probably looking for the sound only. So the exhaust will be fine. Playing around with the exhaust system will be fine. Number 2 is lights, whether it be headlights or indicators or whatever. Lights, especially if you are changing from halogen lights to LEDs or is it xenon lights, whatever. The main benefit that I see with lights is, number 1, you get a clear vision. Like the LEDs have got much brighter capacity than the halogens, according to me. And LEDs are more modern, they're more stylish compared to halogens. Who wants to see an orange light these days? No one. Yeah, so you can switch up to LEDs. Then number 3, we have rims. The rims, I don't know what other people call them, but the rims. So the rims, this is like the most basic and the first thing that most people who are new to car modification go at. And rims you can get, there's a wide variety. It just depends on your personal preference, but there's a wide variety. You can go for any type of rim that you want, and your car will it will upgrade your car from just an ordinary car into something that's probably worth someone turning their head to see. Number 4 is window tints, and this one, yeah, it's a modification, because when you get your car from a dealership, most probably it won't have window tints, and you modify it according to your personal likes. And tint level, I guess some countries have got limitations, but in Zimbabwe I do not know any limitations on tints. I haven't come across any regulations on that. So yeah, you can tint your windows. Now this is for looks and also for privacy. So having a car that doesn't have a tint, for me it's a no. It's a no. There's no point in time that I want to drive up to some place and everyone can see me, like just see me like that. No way. Nope, it's not right. And number 5 are neon lights. If there's another name, I don't know. I call them neon lights. And these ones, they were a thing back in the day, but now they're starting to resurface. And personally, I think they're cool, especially the interior ones, the ones which will be lighting especially your leg room, and which go around the car. I think they're called ambient lighting. Yeah, those ones are actually okay. You can see them in modern cars, even high-end cars like the Mercedes S-Class. Yeah, so that kind of thing is okay. And there are so many ways to personalize your car with this light. I saw a post on Instagram, a sponsored post, someone who was selling these lights for like $20 for 2 doors, I think, for 2 sides of your car. I think the front seats. So it's pretty decent. And your car, you definitely you add value to your car. Okay, not value, but you add personality to your car, and that's a plus, a big plus. Number 6 is a spoiler. Now I said the spoiler because I was just shying away from saying body kits, since body kits might be a bit expensive, but the spoiler, just a basic spoiler, can improve your car's looks, and also it improves your car's aerodynamics. I won't go into much detail because this is not a physics class, and yeah, basically that's it. Spoiler is for looks and aerodynamics if it's a proper spoiler. And number 7 is a bonus. It's just stickers. Now stickers, you have to be very careful with stickers because there's a very thin line, a very fine line between being an idiot with stickers or looking cool. So you have to trade carefully. Too many stickers, you look like an idiot. And then yeah, very few is okay. Very few is very okay. And the way you position your stickers also contributes to whether you look like an idiot or like a cool guy or girl, whatever. Yeah, whatever. So guys, this is it. This is the end of the video. If you have any contributions, comments, whatever, questions, put them in the comment section below, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, like the video, and see you in the next video.